Hello everyone. We are in a Model for Teachers EVO 19 Week 1. Here in this video tutorial, I want to explore how I can go to my profile. Here you see this drop-down menu showing my name, my preferences, calendar, messages, private files, forum posts, and so on and so forth. And also I can go to badges, log in, log out, and ask for help through this part. But let's go to preferences. Here, I've got user, edit profile, change password, message. I'm going to blog and again going to badges. Let's go to users. That includes many of these tabs. Yes, sorry. Okay, in this part, preferences, we can see different categories. User account, this is user account. I can go and edit my profile, change a preferred language, go to forum preferences, editor preferences, course preferences, calendar, security keys, message, notification preferences, linked, logins, etc. Also, I can go to blogs, go to some external blogs and register an external blog. Here also we can go to repositories to manage instances of, for instance, Flickr, Poodle, and some other repositories, creating Poodle instance, file system, Flickr public, and ensemble video repositories. Let's go back, and here we've got badges. We can manage badges that we receive on a weekly basis, and have some preferences and go to backpack setting. In fact, we can send our badges, our weekly badges, to a website and send them there. They are called backpack. I will show you how to do it. Also, we've got profile, configure, transfer, portfolios, Go to portfolios to configure portfolios and transfer logs. And in this category, we've got some event monitoring, open badge setting, and badge hiding. Okay, for this moment, let's go to my profile to see how I can change or edit my profile. Here I've got my first name, surname, email, and time zone. Time zone is important for me because it tells me the events, for example, the WizIQ sessions in my local time. I go to my time, Asia, and Asia, Tehran. My capital city is Tehran. I set it for my, yes. And then here in this description, I can make some changes in this bio. At the moment, I'm not going to change it. And I have already posted a picture here, but let's see how we can change it. First of all, I delete it, or I can save it if I want to change it, and then see how we can upload another picture. Can go to our computer. Yes, I should look for my pictures. I have to upload a picture of mine. Let's see, for instance, In this folder I've got some pictures. Okay, let's see if this one works. I upload it. It takes a bit time to upload this photo depending on your bandwidth and connection quality. Okay, now this is uploaded. I can update my profile. I can delete the previous one or keep it. Let's delete it. Well, now it's updating the profile with a new photo. Now that the photo is uploaded, I can go here to this picture, to my profile, and see the new picture is uploaded. Yes, of course this picture, it seems that needs to be cropped a bit. I can change it again, but for this moment, let's go and check some other options here. For instance, badges are very interesting. They are rewarding and they show our progress. Let's go to backpack setting. I would like to send my badges to a backpack or download them on my computer. Let's see. Okay, first of all we can go to backpack, open badges like Mozilla Backpack, and become connected here. After signing up a backpack, and then we can see our badges. My badge preferences automatically show badges that I learn on my profile page. So every badge that I receive is shown on my profile page. And then let's see how we can manage our badges. Okay, these are the badges I have already received from previous courses. There are 3 options beside a badge. This can make it private or public. Now at the moment it can be seen, it's not private. I can download it through this link, and then here it said add to backpack. Let me just add it to a backpack. I should say I have already signed up in Mozilla Backpack, open backpack. So all I need is to enter my email that I use it as my username, and I have already saved my password to save time. So I log in. Okay, I have logged in. It says you didn't add any open badge to your backpack. Visit your backpack to manage and share your open badges. Okay, I should see the backpack again, but through clicking on this part and again signing in. Oh yes, that at this moment you can send it by clicking on this part where you are signed in, logged in. You can send your backpack, your badges to your backpacks. And this one, oops, it takes time. Okay, it seems it's taking time. Let's go back to profile. And as you see, you can explore a lot more about these options. Just for trying some of this, let's go to preferred language. Of course, because the language of this course is in English, and at the moment the default is English, I'm not going to change it. Oops. But if you are running a course in another language, you can come to this part, preferred language, and open this drop down menu. And as you see, there are many languages here. You can choose the language that you need. Farsi is here, my own language. So I can run a course for my people in Farsi. But here we are using English. Save it. If you make changes, you save changes and go back to preferences. Okay, there are a lot of points that you can explore, but that's all for this time. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.